What's up? We are live. So let's see what's happening today. We took out this liquidity right here. Yes, still sleeping. Not taking out any liquidity at all. Also today we will see TGIF. So I just have like set up the fib, but I'm expecting that we're gonna take out this high, so I'm gonna just move it to the next high we make. That's the plan for today. Take out these highs, then retrace into the 0.2, 0.3 fib. Let's see if ES is gonna wake up from this move. Any news today? 45. Nothing else really. So yeah, today looking for this buy side. Sup, Eric? Let's see, do we have any sell side? Dollar dropping. We will have the macro soon at 9:20. I took a quick trade before the stream from this inversion here, targeting this high, like this liquidity. It was just like a small, I don't know, 5 handle trade or 6 handles. Nothing too crazy. Let's reset our win loss. I might size up today to like 2 contracts because trading the, I don't know what's it called, like the Apex. It's not a combine, but you know what I mean. So don't really care too much if I would blow this account, but that's not the goal. So not gonna like gamble. Only gonna size up to 2 contracts. So let's see what ES is doing. We have SMT here. That's also why I was looking for the move up before the stream. Like you can see the SMT, and now we also have an SMT here. Like NQ made a new high, ES didn't. Let's see what Dow is doing. Dow is also not moving to the upside. We've only seen it took out the highs before. Do you guys hear me like clearly? Because YouTube is telling me that the bitrate is slow, which is kind of weird because I've set it up to exactly what it wants. Great. That's great, Eric. And are you trading on Apex or Topstep? Bull and Ox. Is there like any reason you chose them? Like I've heard about them, but I was only trading with Apex and Topstep so far, and also my Funnet futures. Because I feel like they already have like a good good offer. Does Bull and Ox have like something different? They have like just no scaling, huh? Let's see if ES is gonna push higher or not. I would like to see ES push higher because, you know, my target is the buy side. If it doesn't, then I would not try to push for this. Let's see what the opening bell does. Maybe we will see ES starting pushing more. Should I put some music on? Let's see, some royalty-free music, which will not get me copyrighted like every single one. Waiting to start another Topstep soon. Cheap evaluations, so they have like also the sales like Apex. Huh. Well, I guess I should also give them a try when they have another sale. They also don't have trailing drawdown now. They have like just like Topstep. I don't like this music at all. No. Trap Nation. Yes, trailing drawdown or end of day. So like, do they like the trailing drawdown? I guess that's like a cheaper account, no? Okay, so we're dropping on the NQ. After we took the liquidity, we might be going for these open fair value gaps here. And what is this music? I do not want you to listen to this. Alright. This is good. Exactly. And do they have like trailing drawdown just like Apex that it stops after the 2.5k? I just cannot find like the trailing accounts are they on their site. Oh, okay. No, I see it now. It's like option 2 is the end of day. Okay, okay. And do you know how many accounts they allow? Let's see where the price is reaching. We could be just bouncing from this gap. Yeah, 12 accounts is good. Like, honestly, 5 and more accounts, I think it's like good to like really see the size of it, you know. Like, I think that the free accounts on Topstep is, I don't know, I feel like it's too little. And I also think that they can do more accounts. Like, they would make more and also, you know, you would be happier. Okay, ES dropping, dollar pushing. We made equal lows. Another SMT. We closed below this inversion, so we can possibly see the drop lower. Are there any open fair value gaps above us? Not really. This one. We are for sure reaching for that one. But that's gonna touch before I even get a chance to enter. I would enter on this inversion here. what is it, 0.75. So if you close above, I'm gonna put an order here. I'm gonna put just one contract there. But we might just reach there before even going back. We're gonna just touch this 30-second fair value gap most likely and go straight into this. But I have my order here. Take profit here. And stop loss 12 handles. I want to see it just push quick or take me out quick. Yeah, it might take me out. And still in the trade. And I'm out. That's trading long with SMT from the top side. We might just push from this fair value gap. Also, we have still the equal lows. So we'll maybe wait for the equal lows to get taken out and then go long again. And we have SMT here. Actually, do we? Yes, dropping. Dollar also dropping. I still think that we're gonna go for this unfilled fair value gap. We're also holding this fair value gap still too. If it goes above that, then I don't think we will, but we'll see. Dollar pushing. So we have this 3-minute inversion here. I might try another long. But it's gonna probably just push. Into this fair value gap. Yep. So let's see, it's gonna push all the way up there. And yeah, we do have SMT right now. We have this higher high and or higher low. Then just ES and NQ are disconnected. I might just wait until 45 for the news to come out. Maybe it's gonna start moving then. Yes. Went into this unfilled 15 minutes. On NQ, we still have it like unfilled here. And we touched the target. So that's sometimes when you're right and wrong at the same time. You know, bigger stop loss would made it, but that's life. So we reached this fair value gap. So now I'm expecting that we might just drop because ES is very weak and dollar is pushing. So let's see it. Yeah, like I could have made the stop loss larger, but also, you know, sometimes it's like I don't really want to risk from here. Like what, like a good stop loss would be, the best would be here, and that's like 50 handles, you know, so I'm not gonna be risking that much. Would be great to see ES take out this high and maybe start reversing to the upside, so NQ starts also pushing for this high. So let's just wait now. 5 minutes until the news. By the way, how often does Bulanox have sales? Okay, so ES started to push again. But what I don't like to see is just we have also like equal lows here. But we might be like we might push just for this buy side first and then drop for these lows. So I guess that's what's gonna happen now. I'm gonna enter a long on lower time frame on the 30-second one. Yeah. The 90% sales are great. I'm also usually just buying on that one. Okay, 2 minutes until the news. Okay, I'm gonna enter one position here. And my target is this, but I am not gonna hold the whole move. Or not, at least with just one contract. I would like to just scale in into the position, and we might see another yes. Geez, the news are kind of okay. I'm gonna get out of the trade because the news just hit and trade weight is just jumping around. So got like 6 handles out of this. Sometimes I just say that I'm not gonna trade before the news and I'm gonna wait after, and then I enter the trade right 1 minute or 30 seconds before the news. Let's see how big the fair. Oh, so this is the. We went above this, so I would take this as an inversion now. So I'm still expecting that we're gonna push higher. I'm gonna just give it a few minutes after the news, you know. Not in any trade right now. Basically break even for the day so far. We reached back into this inversion. Yes, dropping. Yeah, I guess we are going for this low. Like for a short, this would be a great entry. But I am not 100% sure because dollar is just dropping again, you know. This could be just like a trap, you know, to get everyone in a short because they would think that it's gonna drop. You guys in any trades? Yeah, I guess that we might just drop lower. We respected this farewell gap and an inversion. But like with dollar doing this. At 50 we will see what happens. Alright, dollar is dropping. Let's see, do we have any SMT? We have just SMT on the 1 minute. Still equal lows here, equal lows here. That can be just taken out so easily. There is like so much liquidity below this. And I don't think that, like, are we gonna push to the buy side before taking out all of the longs here? To me, that seems very unlikely. I scout long like you. Yeah. Yeah. Like, you know, that's again, longing when you have double bottom is just never a good idea. especially on NQ, where it can just like drop in one candle like this, and you might just get filled like easily 5 handles off. And this farewell gap is still holding. Dollar starting to push. So is the drop gonna come now? Huh? Like if this candle just flips red now, I would be very confident in the short. But if it doesn't, I'm not confident in longs. Like even if we make an inversion here, I would rather just wait for the 10 AM and see then what happens. See you, Eric. Yeah, I guess like we still haven't changed the structure. Also, this inversion is still holding on the 15-minute. We took out the high. Thanks. And thank you for being here, Jude. I really appreciate it. See you later. Like if the next candle doesn't take out these highs, then we create another SMT here. I would expect this to happen and go even lower. So we'll have to maybe wait for the 10 AM session. We got some techno here. Dollar doing nothing. Just consolidating still. No more news today. Also, what is this song again? All right. We have SMT with ES. Also, we have another equal lows here. And we took out the shorts here with the move up. Also, we are still holding this inversion right here. That one is like still, we went above it, but never closed above. Two more minutes until 10 a.m. Then I would like to see some move. Okay, ES dropping lower. Once again with dollar. Just making the same moves all over again. This inversion is still good. And if we close below this 15-minute fair value gap, then I'm gonna go short. And we have to close like at 10 a.m. the 15-minute candle. So if this candle closes below, I would be shorting this. All right, so I'm in short. I have my stop loss at 12 handles. I'm gonna put my stop loss above this high here. It's like 15 handles. I got pretty bad fill. I'm filled at 19. The better fill would be, you know, like this was my... So if I got filled at the inversion, you're risking 12 handles for possible move all the way down here. Also with trimming here at 03. Let's see. So this would be like first take profit here. Take profit one, then this would be my second and the final. And once we take this low, I would move my stop loss above this swing high. Might stop me out. Also, if we close above this inversion again, then I'm closing, or not again, but for the first time. And still in a trade. So inversion still holding. We created these equal highs, so it's gonna take me out. Yep. And we have SMT with ES. So that's 2 losing trades, 1 winning. So still waiting for something better. We closed above the inversion, but dollar is dropping and it's like still consolidating. But overall, this seems like we are just reaching for this buy side. We might leave this unfilled. Still waiting for the trade. He held above this order block. Still SMT on the ES and NQ in the wrong direction. So not seeing anything right now. Also, guys, if you haven't heard it, Apex has the new promotion where you can pass the account in 1 day only. So you can check it out. I'm not sure if I have a link in the bio or not, but you can just, you know, check out their website. Let's see what DAO is doing. Also nothing much. Are we like accumulating something here? Like if we're gonna push higher, I would like to see just take out this liquidity and then straight up. We have equal highs. This could be the drop we're looking for. But it might give us 0 chance to enter. Let's see, it's gonna take out this sell side. But you know what's fine, like if it runs for us, it's okay because then at least something is gonna happen and we will know that we can just expect the reversal. If we close below this inversion, all right, I'm gonna put a 22 a short. My stop loss is gonna be above this high. Targeting these equal lows. And if we close on the 30-second chart below or above this, I'm gonna close it because we will go for the equal highs. Okay, I'm out. Yep, went for the equal highs. I could just invest myself today and be rich as fuck. But it's life sometimes. That's trading. Hmm. It seems like every single time I short, it's just not working out. Even though I'm like shorting when I'm long biased. That's the worst thing you can do. So until now, I'm longing only if I don't see like a shift in the structure, or like until my bias changed. Could this be a possible long? I'm not in the trade yet, but you know, just watching. Alright, I'm gonna take a position. My stop loss is below this low. And the target is this buy side here. So I'm currently in this trade. Hmm. We're gonna make a new high here, which we made right now. I would like to see the candle close above it. I'm gonna also move my stop loss to like here to just mitigate the risk. I would just like it to see push right now. It might be too aggressive, this stop loss. We'll see. And like, you know, having losing trades, just part of the game. If I see like it's starting moving down, I'm gonna just close it manually. Yeah, I'm out. I can just re-enter later. Because we did not respect this fair value gap. Which is what I would like to see if we're gonna push higher. Nope, longer. Dollar pushing higher. Like a great entry would be here, right? You would get like already 20 handles. But I was too slow. I was just thinking about it too much. I should have just entered. Are you guys in any trades? So pushing higher. Still not too convinced. Also, guys, if you like find the music annoying or something, you can tell me and I can just change it or turn it off. We have still so much of sell side like unfilled completely. But we are so close to the buy side. So is this gonna be where I go short again and lose more? There is still this inversion. Be close above this. I'm going long. Still no close above. Is there only 1 minute? Well, this seems like I'm not gonna get a chance to enter. Okay, I'm gonna put 52 order. Okay, got filled. Let's see. Is this gonna be the final push? Or another flop? What is it, like 30 handles? Shouldn't be too hard for NQ to do that. My stop loss is below this low. Here, or if I see that we just disrespect this fair value gap right here, like if it does not hold, then I would not be confident. Also, I would like it to see it maybe unfilled and just run for this buy side. So I am in I'm in this trade. Let's see, is there anything that could just stop us in our oh, I think that we're gonna go straight for it. We might just stop at this high, but that's still okay. I know that's still like 25 handles. Uh, dollar pushing. That's not what I want to see at all. Let's see this wick. I'm gonna put my trade into break even. Or just a little bit below, like 3 handles stop loss. I just want to see it push like aggressively to the buy side. Just grinding and grinding slowly. Like I want to see this 2-minute fair value gap just hold, but we might not see that. Might just stop me out. Holding so far. If we close below this 2-minute fair value gap, I'm gonna close the trade early. But we are holding still. So guys, did any of you get email from Apex? Like about payouts? Still got nothing from this period. I'm gonna add another position here if we close above this 30-second. And move my stop loss here. Alright, so 61.50. Move the stop loss to 54. One tick below. Alright, I got filled. My stop loss is below this. So my new average is this is the stop loss. So free handle stop loss. ES pushing and Q is not pushing. And might just stop me out now. Touch this fair value gap and run. You know, should I like move my stop? I'm not sure. Also, this fair value gap held. Not looking too good. And I'm stopped out. We have an SMT with yes. Are we gonna go for the equal lows now? I'm not sure. I mean, we again. All right, I'm gonna put once again the order, put one order to 52, like here into this fair value gap, and 42 stop loss. Well, let's see how this goes. Like, I still think that this buy side is gonna get filled. Because like every short or bearish PDRA is just being disrespected. Come on, give me the push. Give me the push now. Alright, I'm gonna put an order here to the inversion. My first target is this 77. And if we fail to hold again, then I'm gonna be done for today. All right. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna close the trade. Well, that's gonna be all for today. not the best day now, but I might come later today. I might trade a little bit off stream. We'll see how we end. I'm gonna post a community post, and you see it's dropping now. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and see you on Monday or later today.